Yeah.
Oh yeah. No, sorry.
Can I get a oh yeah?
Ah, yeah.
Okay, can we share headphones?
We are here with today's headliners called Abbie Falls.
Yeah! And the crowd goes mild.
And very exceptional, all the band members are here.
Only I hear.
Yeah,
And
what's
you
up,
hear
what's
us.
up? That's the camera right over there, right? Yeah, oh, I got fucking
Take it, yeah.
headphones. Let's fucking go, man.
We're professional here, you know what I mean?
At least
God
some.
damn it, I got some fucking
Gentlemen,
feedback
thank
right
you for
here.
joining us today in the podcast. Now, you surely don't know our podcast. We do a Swiss-German podcast, and we're just trying to bring the local scene a bit closer to the bands. So, let us know a bit more about yourselves. So, you guys come from Prague, right?
Yes.
Yeah, unfortunately we do.
All right, right.
And we love the sausage logo.
Oh, yeah. So, Servola is a Swiss sausage, right?
Okay.
So that's why we're like the Metal Sausage Fest, right? That's like the idea.
That sounds like a good gangbang name.
Dude, it's usually all sausages here in the metal scene, so usually. But yeah, no, thank you for taking the time, and let us know a bit more about yourselves. Present yourselves real quick for the people.
Do you want to
at
quickly
home.
explain why we're speaking English?
Oh yeah.
Danke.
Because we haven't been doing it the rest of the podcast.
Dankeschön. We
Yeah.
can speak in Czech if you want.
Sure.
Yeah,
I mean,
that sounds
does
fine.
any one of you know Swiss German? If you,
I know Dankeschön.
all right, no, that's why we're changed to English for our dear
Grazie.
guests. Oh, that was a good
Oh,
one.
not
That was a
bad.
good one. Yeah.
I know one Czech word because
Czech?
my
Kurva.
no, yeah, that too, that too, yeah. No, my roommate is Czech and he's a little bit racist, and he taught me the word.
Everybody is.
Wait, what?
We have to stop now.
He taught me the word Chernoch.
Cherno. Yeah,
Yes.
but that's the polite way to say
Polite
that
way
someone's
to be
black.
racist. Okay, that's fine.
All right, we're gonna skip.
Well, that was quite fast.
No.
All right, let's keep it.
Yeah, it's our tradition to be racist, so. Okay, we have to skip it now.
Just shut the fuck up, bro.
Good thing you're in Switzerland then.
So, gentlemen, some people will watch the video, some will only listen. So, if you could just present yourselves each real quick.
All right. I'm the prettiest one for the ones who don't watch the video. And my name is Thomas, I'm the singer.
I'm the second prettiest,
That hurts
and
so
I'm
bad.
Adam. I'm the guitarist.
Yeah, I'm Vojta. I just hit myself in the head with the fucking headphones, mate. It hurt so bad. And I produced, and I'm also the guitarist, I guess. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Lucas, and I just saw the whole thing with him hitting himself, and then it was fucking hilarious.
And I'm
And
Patrick.
And he also plays guitar and like writes.
Oh yeah, I also play guitar.
Yeah. Oh, that's the
that
drummer
was
over there.
Patrick.
Yeah. He's fucking crazy, man.
By the way.
All right. So, you said you produce as well.
Yeah, I do.
So, it's all the production Abbie Falls is done by you.
Yeah.
That sounds sick. That's insane.
Yeah, thanks,
Where
mate.
can people found it if they want to have a mix or master by you?
Oh, I'm not doing mix and master. I'm doing the production
Alright,
and
alright.
like all the
All the production.
song stuff that like matters in the song, and then I mix together with one of my homies from Italy.
So, all the electronics, all the remixes.
Yeah, and I
that's
like
you.
all the guitar tracking, like mostly composition as well, and production, electronics and stuff like that. Yeah.
All right.
I got a
Hell yeah.
question for the remix of "We Are Here to Drink Your Beer."
Oh, hell yeah.
Did you get approved from Ailstorm or from Dr. Peacock or none of them?
We just
don't
pay
wanna
them,
talk
bro.
about it.
We need
Cut
to
the
skip
stream,
this
bro.
Cut it off.
We just pay them publishing via the
They
promoter,
told us in
GG.
person.
All right.
Yes.
We cannot disclose any further information.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Please remain silent.
Yeah, but you will get some fucking EDM from us soon, hopefully, as well.
Nice.
All right. So let us know a bit of the history of the band, real quick, for anyone who doesn't know Abbie Falls.
Oh, it's a long fucking story. Yeah, because
We've got time.
like, he's good with that because he he just talked about it.
I don't
How
understand
he-
the question.
How he met a rat in our first.
Yes.
Oh, tell us more, please.
Yeah, like our first recording, or like second actually, was like because first time we tried a studio and it didn't really work out the way we wanted, so we were like, oh yeah, let's record the like real sound, like how it sounds for us in the rehearsal room, on our cabs and everything, and like literally in the room. But like, yeah, we are retarded, so we chose January for it. And there was no heating or anything. There was literally like 0 degrees. So we were like all like packed with like jackets and everything, and like you hold the fucking like cold guitar.
Yeah.
And literally I was there like first, and I was waiting, and like we shared the rehearsal room with like a trash band, and they were drinking like a fucking trash band.
Like a thrash band, yeah.
Yeah.
Like a fucking trash band.
There was literally like beer glasses up to your like ankles everywhere. There was like a beer mountain like in one of the corners. And I was like standing there and like it's like yeah, nice rehearsal like recording day. And then like one of the flyers that fell from the wall and was on the ground like suddenly moved, and I was like, what the fuck? And like insanely fat rat. Like, insanely fat rat just ran out of the corner.
That's a song name.
And like insanely fat rat. I love it.
Actually, illness, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think like illness, like it was brought by the insanely fat rat, you know. as I like to view it.
It was like on Spotify if you want to check it. Illness and Edens tonight. That was the.
It was like a lucky charm
Yeah, that
that
was
day. And it, like she just ran by one of the like combos.
Yeah.
And there she was. I've never seen her again. Like I don't know.
It became the official pet of the band.
Yeah.
Right.
And also like when we were recording, suddenly there was like, what the fuck? There is some weird frequency. And like it was like the guy, like auto mechanic next to us, like starting like doing some drilling, and we're like recording.
Yeah, like
It was
the air drill, I don't know, the drill, air drill.
So you might think it's an effect that you guys did in production, but it was actually a live caption. Yeah.
It was the perfect bass drum sound.
Yeah.
So how long have you guys been in a band in Abbie Falls?
I don't
How,
know.
how did it all come together? Better said.
It's like
I
8 to 9
started the
years.
band and it was like, I don't know, 10 years ago.
10 years, maybe.
No,
9, 8.
I was young then. It wasn't.
No. I was 19. Now I'm 29. So
All right.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm
we had
sure.
a different- but we had a different name.
yeah, we had different name.
All right.
We don't want to talk about it. But yeah.
No, like, guess what? How? What? Like, what was the first name? Like, take a guess. Like, wild guess.
Insanely fat rat.
Fuck, he's good.
I wish.
That's a great name. dude.
I love it.
It was something worse. I don't know if I can.
I don't remember it.
You don't want to tell it. It's,
Right.
We can't.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
We'll just add a beep and then you just said the name.
Okay.
No. I don't believe you.
All right.
We know media.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's true. Yeah, we're trying to corner you right. All right,
So,
but you
yeah.
guys, did you guys play in other bands before in the Tell us a bit about the Prague scene, because we're like a very scene-oriented podcast, right? We're trying to bring like the local scene together, like to push.
Give me the mic, bro. Give me the ball.
push like the local
Give me the
music
ball.
scene. Try to get more people to listen to local bands, right? Tell us a bit about that. How is it over there?
In Prague?
Yeah, is it,
Bro.
is it a bit less insane than in Switzerland?
Nice shit, mate. Like, to be honest, like the Prague scene has been pretty toxic for the past few years.
All right.
Yeah,
Because
like,
of Vojta.
yeah,
Like Vojta was the first one who was really toxic on the scene, but
Yeah, he started it.
but like I meant well.
He tried to like bring the point, like make it better.
Like,
All right.
yeah.
And
yeah, like when I got into metalcore and like the metal scene in Czech Republic, like most of it was compared to like other countries, it was shit.
All right. All right.
Or like not shit, but you could tell it's like a B product compared to like AAA.
All right. All right.
And I was like, I'm not trying to figure out how the fuck do I get the AAA product.
All right. All right.
And I kind of like made some progress, and I like my emotional intelligence is absolutely trash.
All right.
So, so then I started to like trash talk all the other bands in the scene
You
to
can
like create
you
a
can-
beef.
Ah, nice.
And
We want
like
beef. Let's go.
And the beef actually like helped because like everybody is better now. So GG.
You just lit a fire under everyone's ass.
yeah, because like
Yes.
everybody was so fucking like how do you say it, like
It was encouraging them
everybody's
to be
asses.
better.
You
Yeah.
were
Yeah.
bad,
Yeah,
but
like
everybody-
you are a good band. You are a good band. You know. It was,
Yeah, that
Yeah,
doesn't
like a
help.
lot
But
of
if
patting
you
on the
tell them
back,
you
yeah.
suck, they want to be better
Yes.
than you. Yeah, because in Switzerland we never have beef in the band, so
true,
they're
yeah.
all mediocre.
Yeah, except
not
breakdown
what
of
we want.
sanity.
I mean, there is,
We
there, is beef,
almost-
there probably is beef. We just don't know about it because it's
Yeah.
being held in private.
Yeah.
Like Dominic, the guitar player of the band that's been on before you, Save Your Last Breath, he always tells us like we need to have some like all the good old hip hop acts. They all have like wars going on, so we need to start like local metal wars. But somehow he was on the podcast before and he didn't do it, so I don't know why he chickened out.
we almost got a fight with one band on one festival. They wanted to beat us.
All right, tell me more.
Like
please.
actual fist fight.
We were high, so we don't know. But he seemed really pissed.
Yeah, he was.
Yeah, he was big and he wanted to throw punches, but we were high and we just
Alright.
ignored him.
Alright.
And we somehow talked him out of it.
Yes, and
Maybe we pat his back and said, "No, you're good."
All right, so
We actually ended up drinking with him.
Yeah. He was kind of explaining him the whole night why they suck, but why we think it's a good thing they suck or
And
something.
in a good way.
like that.
no, he was on coke, like super high.
Oh,
and
alright,
he,
alright.
that was kind of weird.
was a coke
conservation.
bear, alright.
He was also with Lucas.
Cocaine bear.
Okay, bear, let's go. Yeah, all right.
Yeah, if I remember him, like it's fucking suits him.
No, we were on 2CB, bro.
Yeah, but overall the scene is small and the beef is big.
But it sounds like a lot of fun.
Yeah.
You can still find like Wojta's toxic comments on YouTube's
Oh,
on
shit.
YouTube channels, you know, under the songs. So
Okay.
and then he like fizzled out from it, you know.
Then I found Buddhism.
All right, all right.
And,
Then you
he's
started
cool.
producing your own band, and then you had to deal with that first, right?
yeah, exactly.
actually,
Yeah, but the scene is small. But when big band comes, they always sell out. But on the smallest shows, not many people
Oh,
showing
yeah, so
up.
it's the same everywhere.
It's pretty
then.
much, yeah. I mean, we're trying to like change it a bit, right? But,
Yeah, that's what I think is cancer about the Czech scene is that when foreign bands come over,
Yeah.
it's usually a tour package, which is like completely okay. But like sometimes it's not a tour package, and you got local support,
Yeah.
and the local support is every time the fucking same because they are
Oh.
homies with the promoter.
oh, okay,
Because
okay.
Czech Republic is small, so
Alright,
it's all
alright.
homie.
Yeah,
based.
and we even have a beef with the big promoter. So we don't get
Yeah.
booked because we ask for money.
Yeah, we were like, okay,
how dare you.
Okay,
Yeah,
so-
like
dare
a
you.
passive-aggressive email.
Oh my god.
And they try to like turn it around that we are the bad ones, that we
Ooh.
trying to take money. And if we take more money, we will take money from the first band that plays and they will get no money. So
How dare you ask to be paid for work?
it's retarded.
Yeah, I mean, we were supposed to open for Throne, and like I work with Aviana, and I know their manager, and like it was like a mutual connection through like my like Swedish fucking side, I don't know, and like then we got fucked because
Oh,
we like
shit.
wanted some cash because the sold the fuck out.
Yeah, yeah.
Like
we
you
were
don't,
like,
you
okay,
don't need
just give us at
millions,
least,
but
like, something,
you need
you know?
like something because it's the biggest promoter in Czech Republic,
and
and
also
they.
our drummer is he
Oh, yeah, he lives in England.
Oh shit.
So we just want to pay, you know,
Yeah.
like the flights and stuff. So
Oh, yeah, of course.
cover yes.
Dude, that's like the minimum,
And,
yeah.
they offer us like €50.
I don't know, maybe
Something
less.
I mean, you guys are not a small name, right? Like, I'm gonna be honest. Like, I've heard your name a couple of times mentioned, right? I just listened to you guys this morning, checking out the playlist for the festival. And I was like blown away, right? So just heads up, like.
Okay,
and,
we have no beef then.
And you guys are no small name. I mean, I heard actually from that dude over there, from Eric, that you guys have played like 4 times lately in Switzerland. Like
Yeah, in Aarau, Kif,
a couple of times, right?
and Bern.
Yeah, the Bear City.
Yeah. And you've got like, from what I checked, like today, like 60K monthly listeners on Spotify. Like that's
Yes.
not a small band.
Considering we haven't dropped shit for 2 years, that's nice.
Yeah, because we have a beef with our label. It's like it's a huge like spiral.
I'm loving it, dude. You got beef with everyone.
But the good
But
thing
it's
is-
all sorted out now.
But we are nice. Like
Yeah, the good thing is I saw
nice?
I saw
Nice,
your
thank you.
performance and I thought those guys are fun. Now you're sitting here and it all makes sense. It's so fucking great.
Yeah, dude. It's amazing. Oh, by the way, the light show was sick, dude.
Oh yeah, thanks. I spent 26 hours on it. No, but like
Lies.
yeah, together we spent it together. Yeah. We made like in Czech Republic you gotta figure this shit out yourselves and like because nobody is there to help you. That's
Yeah.
what sucks about the Czech scene, basically.
Well, I
'Cause
think
it's so small.
I think we also have that here as well. Like you have to do like everything yourself. Like
Oh yeah, because Switzerland is also small as fuck, right?
it's awful. Yeah, exactly.
It's even smaller.
Yeah. Oh, is
I mean,
it?
geographically
Yeah.
speaking, yeah,
Damn.
absolutely. But otherwise,
I think
so,
Switzerland is smaller than Prague, probably.
No. But if you want to rate you, yeah, we would win.
They got
All right,
sharpers
next
in the
question.
mountains.
So beef aside, so in the Czech Republic, so
With
what
Switzerland.
other bands would you see as your peers or bands that are also pushing the Czech sound outside?
Like No Face No Case is good.
Oh, I saw them a few weeks ago. Awesome.
Nice. They play Germany a lot now. That's
Like,
really
I saw
fucking
them
cool.
in Switzerland. Like,
Oh, okay. Oh, you're in Switzerland. GG.
I would definitely say severals.
Oh yeah, several as hell, yeah.
Severals. All right. So,
They're like progressive fucking genty techno, North Lane, whatever the fuck. Drum tuned, clean singing, screaming. It's cool.
sick.
Yeah.
Sick.
I was thinking about the Czech bands I know, and I think about Flash Crawl and what's the Infected Rain. Do you know?
It's not
Infected
Czech,
Rain is
bro.
not Czech.
Where is it from?
GG.
I don't know, but infected
Czech,
no,
okay.
it's like Bulgaria or something
is
like
this-
that.
ah.
no?
Infected Rain is like Moldavia. I think.
Yeah,
Okay, I
something
was
more.
thinking, that must be from Czech Republic. Okay, but Flash Crawl isn't it?
I don't know.
I have no idea.
Gutalax. If you
Oh,
yeah,
Good
Call
Luck
the
Fire.
and Spasm. I love both of them.
Yeah.
That's his shit,
awesome.
dude.
We are
Yeah.
the birth or shit stains.
When we just have to quickly savor this moment. Brian forgot about Gutalax.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Like this.
I just
man.
forgot about them being from
Brian,
Czech
what the
Republic.
fuck?
Yeah,
I
Brian,
love
dude.
Gutalax. It was my number 2 last year on Spotify.
Really?
Of course, it was number 2.
That's the worst thing I ever heard.
What's your favorite
Now
song,
you know
bro?
who you're talking with.
It's called Cocky is Back. And Vagina Apocalypse is also great.
Oh shit.
Shit. So the point I was getting to is you guys you are not an opener band, so to say. So I'm kind of perplexed to hear that you're being treated like that in your own country.
like we're still small, but we just want some decency from the Czech promoters to like treat the Czech band, because they treat you like, oh, you're Czech band, so you don't need anything. You're good that you're gonna play, right? And if it's like the biggest fucking promoter from the Czech Republic and they know they're gonna sell, so they could like maybe act right for these bands to make like more Czech bands to like see they can do something with it and not like just you're gonna play and you're gonna shut up and you be nice and you got 30 minutes and then you can fuck off. I don't know.
So they're not trying to nurture the local scene to grow
Yeah,
more
they
bands.
don't doing that.
Is
I
it-
always thought like they're doing it, but they're only doing it with friends, I think. And
So
as for the others,
Is it a monopoly, probably, in that case?
yeah, they're
Yeah,
huge. They're
Monopoly,
huge.
that's a great
like,
game.
All right.
like their festival is great, their shows are great, but they're treating
And
like
that's
Czech
probably
bands.
not a real benefit in like getting younger Czech bands to play at their shows, because
Like it's like if when you got nothing, it's good because they put you with the big,
no,
big
I mean
band,
a benefit for the promoters.
promoters.
For the bands, it's
they
nice,
don't
but,
care. They
but
don't
this
care.
is
They
why
just fill
probably,
the spot.
Yeah, this is probably why they don't really care about it. It's just like, oh yeah, we don't get anything from it if we put a small Czech band or Swiss band here, so let's just take the one that does it for free.
Yes, just fill the spot and we're Gucci like that.
All right.
Yeah.
So in that case, I'm assuming you're playing more outside of Czech Republic then.
Yes, we had like 1 or 2 maybe shows in Czech Republic, and everything was outside.
All right. What has been the highlight this year for you guys?
Carfest maybe? Maybe here.
Corfest was beautiful because of the
Crystal Lake?
production.
Was that Corfest in Stuttgart?
Yeah,
Or-
and
all right.
because of the production, and we felt good on the stage, and like the Corfest did amazing with
We
lights
Breakdown
and
of Sanity,
everything.
right?
Yeah,
Have
but
you
we
been playing
played-
it?
We missed them, bro.
Sadly, yeah.
I want to tell them. I want to tell them.
All right.
Yeah, do it.
Can I tell them? Can I?
Yes.
No, because Radar of Sanity there was the band that get him to.
Yeah, it's like my most listened to band. Like I know every single fucking song
Carlo
like in
was
the
in the
back of my head.
podcast, and he's probably gonna listen to this episode as well.
Yeah, I mean I know the guys. Yeah, he's
And
gonna
his as
give
well.
more lore.
And they actually come to Bern when we first played Switzerland.
Oh,
And now we finished our feat with them. We have a collab song with them, and it's gonna
Sick.
be out in 14 days, I hope.
sick. All
And
right.
it's nowhere announced. So
All right. Premiere. Or you didn't hear it here.
yeah,
All right.
I said it. I
Absolutely
know, but we're
unhinged.
stoked because we're
No, it's okay. We
releasing
can
after
bleep
2
it out.
years.
We can bleep
I can bleep it out if you
Carlo
want.
actually
No, just leak it, bro.
leaked.
No, but because it should
Carlo
be
actually
out.
leaked a song himself on a festival
Oh,
where
yeah,
we interviewed
yeah.
them off another band that we had to bleep out. So
Who was
it's
it?
all Gucci
Was
here.
it half me?
Nice.
He said that half me's doing a feature with Vicious Rain.
Yeah, and then I got a.
And then I talked to the guys from Vicious Rain about the feature of Half Me,
Oh,
and
yeah,
he
that's
just
true.
looked at me like, "Where the fuck did you hear that?" I'm like, "Carlo told me." Like, when?
and then I got a friend.
The interview for the podcast that we recorded. So shall we bleep it?
Yeah,
Yes,
and then I
please.
got a frantic message from Bella. So, dude, you gotta bleep this shit. You can't bring it out.
Guys, it was really fun to talk to you. I got to leave because I need to catch the train. But really enjoyed your show and to talk to you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
we
thanks,
enjoyed your
mate.
company, Brian.
Ciao, Brian.
Hey, Brian, take
Cheers.
Ciao.
If you guys
Brian.
want to keep talking, I'm having a great time with you guys.
Yeah,
Yeah,
let's
we
go.
can.
You guys can tell us what you're tired of us. All right. So we were talking about Breakdown Sanity in Stuttgart, right?
Yeah, but
Alright.
we
We
played,
missed them.
We played the day after, and I miss Adept, so that was the saddest part of that. Bye,
Bye,
Brian.
Bye, Brian.
Love
Bye.
you.
Short but sweet.
Oh, we can pass a microphone up. Or where's Brian's? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I have mine.
You have
I have
yours.
it.
I'm sorry. I'm
So
blind.
it's 2 and 2.
Two and
That's
two.
fine.
Perfect,
It's
perfect.
just like we're 2 people, they're 5, so
Perfect.
makes sense that we both have 2.
It looks right.
Also, that's not lipstick, that's the red one.
Yeah.
The red one.
They kissed before in the on the backpack.
Yeah, the red debris on the yellow foam thingy is.
I don't know what we're talking about, but all right.
Neither.
So you said you haven't brought anything out in 2 years, and now a
Yeah.
new song is dropping, right?
Bro,
Yeah.
we're dropping so much stuff now.
What? Yeah, we
We're
have
about to drop some heat, bro.
we have a lot of songs written.
Mm-hmm.
And now we will be finally able to release them. I hope so.
Are you guys independent or on a label?
No.
No,
Now we are
no, they have beef. Ricky,
At
they
the
have
moment.
beef with their label. They are not independent.
Yeah, we were in the label.
Mm-hmm.
Then we had some lawyers, and now we are not in label.
Oh, that level. All right.
And we're gonna have another label, I think.
All right.
We have to sign it.
We have to sign it, and then we can release stuff.
All right. Really cool.
Yeah, and that should happen in like 10 the next days. So, yeah,
Perfect.
We'll see.
Are we seeing you guys in Switzerland anytime soon?
I think. I don't know if we can like.
Oh,
Ooh, well, you are gonna see us, and it's gonna be
Alright.
fucking sick.
But like probably you're gonna see us.
Really?
Yeah, and
very, very
yeah, he
soon.
said it. Like it's gonna be fucking sick.
All right, cool.
Like,
Yeah, dude.
Looking forward to that.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah,
great.
big things coming.
Big things coming. All right, gentlemen, I don't want to take any more of your time. You have been wonderful. Thank you very much for being a part of the podcast. Yeah. Any last words for the Swiss crowd out there?
Yeah, just how did you think? What did you think about today? Was it
yeah.
nice?
Sorry.
Did you have fun?
Good beer, great chips.
Yeah.
I like the food. Yeah. And I froze my ass off on the merch stand.
Oh, yeah, it was.
Show. Good.
Yeah, it was amazing.
Yeah, it was perfect.
Exactly.
He agrees.
He was drunk.
Yeah, it's like our drummer was fucking wasted on the concert. Like
Yeah.
worst show ever.
Yeah, he actually don't drink. And today we forced him to drink one beer, so he
yeah.
was shit fucked done. He was
Absolutely
awful.
shit-faced.
Like when I heard the drums, I was like, what? No, it was awful. Like he did a bad job. and his name is Patrick.
All right.
He lives in England and he sucks at drums.
No, but like I do have last words for you Swiss people, bro. Because like
Suck it!
you motherfuckers have so many good like role models and good fucking bands. We don't have that in Czech Republic, and you guys better fucking appreciate that shit
But
and
tell
follow the fucking path the other generations made before you, because we don't have that, and it's really good to have that shit. Yeah.
That's a good point. What Swiss bands do you know and do you enjoy?
Breakdown of sanity, breakdown of sanity,
Right.
breakdown of sanity, breakdown of
Wow,
sanity.
that's so many good role models, dude.
No, you have others, but
Have you heard of Paleface Swiss?
oh yeah, that's yeah. Don't get me started on Paleface Swiss. No, I love that band.
They're lovely dudes.
Yes,
Yeah, they're probably gonna listen to this as well. So shout out, boys.
nice. What's up, Zelly?
All right. No, thank you very much for your time. You guys have been wonderful. I mean,
Thank you.
we got a great show.
Thank
I
you.
got a cool hoodie and I've got a t-shirt as well. So thanks, guys.
Thank you for inviting us.
Thank you very
was
much
great.
for
Thank you.
And looking
drinking a
forward-
beer with us.
Yeah, looking forward to the next time we see you
Spilling the
here.
beer.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank
Fair
you,
enough.
gentlemen.
We're not the ones cleaning it up, so it's fine.
Cheerio.